Okay, so I've decided to be completely honest and show you my disaster of a office/studio. So bear with me, here we go. Okay, we're starting strong. We've got the thread on the wall. Oh dear, it's quickly going downhill. Bags, bags. This is the ironing board. You can see I do a lot of ironing on there. This, oh God, this is the Create box. There's a reason why I have this albatross around my neck. But anyway, here is my desk, which isn't looking too bad actually. Printer, cat, Charlotte, say hello. She's not amused. Design wall, looking very designy. Even the design wall is a mess. This is my table. Obviously I get a lot done at this table. This is my sewing machine in the box from the retreat I went to a month ago. This is my actually fairly up-to-date plan for what's happening this month. And then in here, this is a huge double closet, complete with stepped ladder there to get up onto the shelves, which is actually a lot more organised than it was, but is still not terribly organised. So now you've seen the worst of it. That is my studio tour before I started tidying. Today is 21st of April, 2026. So we'll see how it looks when I see you on the other side.